Hey guys, what is up? Shaggy Gaming here. Today I'm coming at you with something a little bit different. On the fun side though, Kobe. I'm gonna show you a new thing. Coding. Yeah, coding. First you want to install Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2013 for Windows Desktop. Then you want to start a new project. Go to Visual C#, okay? Not Visual Basic or it won't work, what we're doing. And then most beginners start out with console application, so we're going to be doing that. Then name it whatever. Booty. Now, spelling. New. YouTube project. Now, how about YouTube vid? Okay, then make sure this is unchecked because then it adds like a solution which all the code's in there. So yeah, start here, you run it, it's creating YouTube vid, and you come up to this. Let me adjust this. You come up to this. All this stuff and you have no idea what this means. Okay, this is just this area using shows what you are using in this. Like all the text and commands you're using. A namespace is like the world. So like think of the whole world. Then the class would be continents like North America, South America, or something like that. Then this is like a state or a province or a territory or whatever. And then your code could be cities if you wanted it to be. Okay? So that's pretty simple. So let's start with console. This is the first code I'm going to teach you. Right line. Then type whatever. Like yo, YouTube. Then always end it with a semicolon because you want the computer to know, hey, this function or command is done, go to the next. Then once you're in this, you can do Control F5. It will build, started, build, succeed in your console application or console command prompt. Yeah, that's what it's called. Will display what you put. Yo, YouTube. Then when you press any key, it closes because we didn't do anything. Now I'm going to show you the other thing you can do is console.read. Okay, read, which it can read allows you to type, and it reads the next character from the standard input stream. Read key, like one key. Like if I push D, that's only key. Read line allows the person to type all the characters they want. So we're gonna do read line. We'll do read key in the next thing. And then you leave that blank, sorry. Then you do that. Then once you run your code again, you can write whatever you want. And then nothing happens. That's kind of boring, but you know. So yeah. Okay. I'm going to get rid of that. Now I'm going to teach you variables, like string. You can name it whatever, like word. And that is equal to yo, people. And it was a semicolon. Now you can do console dot right line and put word. So now when you do this, it says yo, people. So it's just taking the variable is word, okay, word, and this is what the variable is, yo. Like if I changed to yo, or whatever, how you pronounce it, and you Control F5, it can change. It's like a variable, it can always change. Then the second thing you can do is int, which means integer, practically, which is a number. You can put num, if you want, whatever you want to call it, is equal to 5, semicolon. Then right here, you can put num, and it comes out as 5. So yeah. And if you want to make this bigger, which I will to show you guys, go to properties. Like, make a huge window if you want. Okay, so it gets so much bigger and you can finally see 5. So let's get rid of that stuff. Let's make a little game out of this. Why don't we? Let's make a spelling game. So first thing we want people to see is console dot right line. This, oh wait, crap. Dang, I can't type. This is a spelling game by, this is a spelling game by John, or Shaggy. Shig. Crap. Semicolon. So once we run this, it says this is a spell game. Oops. Did I put spelling? No. Spell game by Shaggy. I'm gonna move my mic in my ear. Crap. Okay. Then we want to make a string. String is, wait, do we? Yeah, I think we do. We're gonna do word 1. Or wait, before we do that, sorry, getting a little ahead of myself. Oops, pushed the wrong button. Let's take all this code, copy paste as your friend in coding, delete all this and say, or type, this is a typing, type, I'll show you how to make an actual spelling game, type, and let's do elephant. So let's change this to type. I'll teach you how to make an actual spelling game, which will be fun. Typing game. Type elephant. Then we do a string, which is a variable. Let's do word 1. Make it simple on ourselves. Then let's do that one thing again. This thing is one problem. Okay, word 1 is equal to elephant, semicolon. Then we can do something new. It's called an if statement. If, which is just taking two things and comparing them. If, oh wait, we need to make one more string F before that. String user answer is equal to console dot read line. Okay, so now once we do our if statement, we can do user answer. Remember, gotta do two equal signs to make it compare. Has to be equal to word 1. So if it's equal, it will say console dot right line good job, you pass. Pass. And then here's a new thing, else, which means comparing. If that doesn't happen, the first line of code doesn't happen, it can do console dot right line you fail. Okay, so now if we run the code, it says type elephant. Okay, elephant. Okay. My string, I forgot to add an E. So now type elephant. Elephant. Good job, you pass. But if I misspell it like I did before, elephant, you fail. Okay. Now that's cool, but I think, maybe it's kind of like, I don't know. This might, maybe it's just kind of boring, Let's add a couple more things to it. Like, console, color, dot. Oh wait, isn't it console, dot, foreground color? Well, if you might hear people in the background. Foreground color is equal to console color dot, let's do cyan. Dang it. Dot, it gives you all the colors, don't worry. Cyan. Colon, this should work. Elephant. Now I made the text cyan, yeah. So if you want to change the color text, sorry, insert. You do console dot foreground color is equal to console color dot cyan, or whatever color you want. Like, let's just here copy this code and say we want the you fail to be dot red, semicolon. Remember, always have the semicolon. Then you do this. Elephant. You fail. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be covering in the first episode. Probably a little bit long, but yeah. See you guys next time.
And so, on to the